Hi guys, welcome to Fan Plus One. In this video, as you can see, we're not in our normal studio environment. I did a mini series for a get ready for Walt Disney World with me, and I did a planning binder video because I use a planning binder still. I like hard copies of everything just in case technology fails you. And then I did a park bag video, what we take into the parks with us, a stroller pack video, like what we had in our stroller. And then in this video, I'm gonna do a pack with me. I'll let you in on a little bit of a secret. It's not actually a pack with me because we're home from our trip and it's more of a unpack with me. I pack like a tornado went through our house. I'm not one of those people that can lay everything out and have it be all nice and neat as I'm packing. It's nice and neat once it's in the suitcase, but before that, it's a disaster zone. So I decided that it would probably be smarter for me if we got home, everything got washed, and then I walked you through our themed shirts that we wore for Walt Disney World. Now, Daniel, Mr. Grinch, he doesn't have that many themed shirts for Disney. So on the days that just our son and I have themed shirts, he just wore like regular polos. I just wanted to give you a little explanation before I got into showing you what the shirts are. I'll just walk you through kind of each day and what we wore. This is the outfits, or the shirts, I guess, we wore for our first day at Disney. This one's our son's. It says, "My first Disney trip." We actually have his Nana and his Mimi got matching shirts because it was his Mimi's first trip. And then I wrote Nana on my mom's shirt because obviously she's been there more than once. This one's mine with my monogram, and this one's Daniel's. And we actually have had these shirts since 2018. I will try and find them and link them. They're both from Etsy. The next day we went to Animal Kingdom, and my mom picked this little cute dinosaur outfit out for my son. It came with a hat, but toddlers, they're not gonna wear that. So he wore the shorts and the dinosaur tank top, or t-shirt. I thought that would go good because of the Dino-Rama area, given that that's literally one of the only rides he can ride in Animal Kingdom. And then I just wore this sequence Mickey Mouse shirt. I love this shirt. I wear it all the time. It's from Shop Disney. We went to a Christmas party, and my husband is a Grinch, so he did not wear anything but a green polo. This is a shirt that I picked up from an Etsy shop. I'll link it below. I don't remember the Etsy shops right now, but I love it. I love that it's got the lights that you wear around your necklace, and they're little Mickeys. I've seen a version of this shirt with regular Christmas lights, but I liked this one because it was Mickey Christmas lights. And then this was our son's, again from Etsy. I think most of the shirts we bought were from Etsy or Shop Disney. So I love that it has all the snacks. And we picked these up from Jamie and Jack. Little cute Christmas shorts. They reminded me of Christmas, so I popped it with this top and it worked out perfectly. For our next day, we went to Epcot, and my husband wore this shirt because this is our favorite ride in Epcot, the Three Caballeros, and it happens to be the first ride that my son rode when he was 6 months old, the one day he went to Disney when we were staying in Florida for a month last year. This is mine. I thought it was super cute. It says, I shall call him Squishy, and he shall be mine, and he shall be my Squishy. And that's my son's shirt. It's from Finding Nemo, which at Epcot, obviously they have the Finding Nemo ride, so I thought it was a good fit. The next day we went to Hollywood Studios. So we have Toy Story shirt for me because I'm not super into Star Wars and I love Toy Story, so I wore that. And then my husband wore this shirt, and my son wore this matching outfit. Obviously the Baby Yoda and shorts that match. This is from Target, and his is from Shop Disney. We went to Magic Kingdom on our final day, and this is an outfit that Daniel wore. Again, we got this one from Etsy. He loves this shirt. This one was mine, and I am obsessed with this shirt. I actually saw this shirt on the live stream for the 50th anniversary with Resort TV 1. They met some girl and she had the shirt on, and I searched and searched and searched for like 3 weeks to find this shirt, and it came in 3 days before we left. I was so happy it came in because I was here for this one. I wasn't born here, but I was here for this one and we were there for that one. So I was just like, yes, I got the shirt. And then for this little Mickey Mouse shirt with some shorts. So for our second to last day in the parks, we went to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. And Daniel wore this. He has wanted a Hades Spirit jersey for a while, but given the life of Spirit jerseys and how quickly Disney goes through them, we can no longer find a Hades Spirit jersey. So we found this shirt on Shop Disney and he liked it, so we got it for him. And then my shirt is this one. Oops. It's just from Etsy. I got it back in 2018, but it's one of my favorite shirts to wear into the park. I don't know why. I love it. I mean, Belle is my favorite princess, so that might be part of it. Every time I wear it, there's so many compliments, and people always ask me where to find it. So if you like this shirt, I will link this shirt below as well. Our son just wore this Born to be a Rebel shirt with all the little characters. This shirt's just from Target. They always have this shirt. And then he had a outfit change that day and he wore this shirt because again, we were in Hollywood Studios and Epcot. So we thought this shirt would go good. So he wore that. And then our very last day, we went to Disney Springs and I just wore a Christmas outfit. And we had my son wear this, kind of in honor of my dad. We bought this shirt. It reminded me of a shirt that my dad would wear when we were on vacations as a kid. So I got it for our son and he loved it. And we got some pictures of him in it and it reminded us a lot of my dad and it made my mom smile. So that was nice. And that's everything we wore into the parks and Disney Springs. Now, like I said, we had a couple extra outfits. So I had this extra t-shirt that I carried around with me in the diaper bag, as well as this one for the inevitable diaper issue or sweating or spillage on your shirt. When you have a toddler, you gotta do what you gotta do. So those lived in the bottom of our stroller. And we have themed pajamas. So we got these Woody pajamas that we took with us, these Buzz pajamas, and these pajamas. These are the only ones I can't link because they were a gift from my sister. They're the softest material, but we figured Christmas pajamas, seeing as how we're in there December. But both of these are just from Shop Disney. They're still available. I actually got him the next size up because he's grown out of these. And the next size up is 2 pieces. It's a top and bottom. So, and these ones are onesies. I don't know if you're interested or not, but these are a couple of the shorts that we brought with us. These ones lived in the diaper bag because we figured they would go good with either one of the shirts in case we needed to change him again for spillage or whatever. But we mostly brought like blue jeans like this and then little cotton shorts like this to kind of keep him airy. It worked out a little bit. And then for night, we brought this blanket actually that we hung over the top of the stroller. I had bought a sun shield, but it was too big of a pain to put on and it didn't close up correctly. So we didn't end up using that. We just used a blanket when he needed a nap. And it worked out fine. It kind of gave him a break from the stimulation around him and let him relax. And then at night, we had this little sweatsuit that we took with us. It has little ears on it. How cute is that? And he wore this probably 3 or 4 of the nights just because it did get down to like the 50s at night. And we at least put the pants on him so that he would stay warm as we were headed out of the park for the night. All right, guys, so that wraps up our pack with me or unpack with me, and that wraps up this video as well as our little mini series of getting ready for Walt Disney World. If you have any questions or comments on any of the shirts that I showed you, I will have a lot of them linked below if you want to buy those. If you like the video, give this a thumbs up so we know that you want to see more of these. Or if you want to subscribe to our channel, we also are in the middle of a Pixar series where we're reviewing Pixar movies. And soon we will be stepping into one of Daniel's fandoms, which is video games. And we're going to be reviewing a video game series. If that sounds interesting, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you know when we release a video. And we, meaning Daniel and I, Daniel's obviously not here, but we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.